This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, February 11th. Let's jump right into today's session. I have a lot to cover today. Looking at breadth, we had 223 new highs on the NYSE versus 300 new lows. 42% of stocks were advancing versus 54% declining. 45% of stocks were below their 50-day and 43% were below their 200-day moving average. The Dow outperformed today. A couple names like Coca-Cola did well. Keep in mind, when the Dow is up 123 points, it doesn't mean as much as before. That equates to 0.28%. I mean, the Dow is at 44,000 points, so it just needs a lot more, change to move it percentage-wise. The NASDAQ was fairly weak. We'll talk a little bit about this, but it was down 70 points or 0.36%, not a big deal. The S&P is pretty much unchanged. It was up 2 points or 0.03%. But the real news was the complexion of mega caps. So Apple was up 2% today. That's going to obviously help. However, the bad news is that Tesla is down over 6% today. Meta squeaked out a gain of 0.34%. Pretty much unchanged, but it was still green. And we're now up 17 straight days. Microsoft was down 0.19%. Nvidia was down 0.5%. Google was down about 0.5%. Amazon pretty much unchanged but red. Taking a quick look at sector analysis, it was a mixed bag, but we had consumer defensive leading the way to the upside, up 0.75%. Energy was up 0.6%. Real estate was up 0.5%. Financial was up 0.25%. Utilities up 0.13%. Tech was pretty much unchanged, down 0.07%. Communication services was down 0.12%. Healthcare was down 0.3%. Basic materials down 0.3%. Consumer cyclical down almost 1% today. Now, let's keep peeling this onion. So, I mentioned the whole Meta thing. So, Mark Zuckerberg's really happy. They're the leading Mag 7 as far as gains here in performance, up 17 consecutive days, as I mentioned. But Elon Musk is not so much happy. There's a lot going on. I've been posting about Tesla quite a bit to both the free and paid subscribers. It's just, I could probably spend the whole day covering Tesla and Elon Musk, but I'm going to try not to. I'm going to try to summarize this. So, Tesla has lost quite a bit in the past few weeks. Like 1/3 of their market cap. Now, there are a lot of narratives why. I've contributed to my own narratives why. I mentioned yesterday about all the distractions, and as well as my stock spotlight post on Tesla. So that could be it, right? Just Elon Musk spreading himself thin.
And to all our listeners out there, don't forget to subscribe to NotYourAdvisor.com for more deep dives just like this. We're here to help you navigate the crazy world of finance and investing.
You'll find tons of information and analysis to help you navigate these crazy times. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged.